Alright, so this customer is coming back for us to redo this. Customer came in, I did a quick wooden one, and I said come back and I'll 3D print you something. Alright, so here we are. This is the way it comes from factory. You have the connector built into here. Just unplug this, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws holding the little subwoofer in. I like to put them in there. Like I said, we installed this about a month ago, but then I told them to come back so I can make a custom speaker ring for him, and that's what we're doing right now. Alright, so this comes out, and it's already unplugged because the wire's in through there. Alright, just for comparison, this is the factory magnet, and this is the magnet of the woofer we're putting in. It's a Kicker 6.75 inch woofer. Alright guys, so this is the speaker adapter we built. If you just put a woofer in here, you got this little triangle here, so that's why you need the adapter. It's going to come with the wire, and also don't forget there's a little foam over here to seal it to the box. Alright, it's going to use all the factory holes, so no extra drilling. When you do put it in though, something's going on with my camera. For some reason it's not recording as long as it should. When you first put it in, just make sure you put all the holes, drill them in halfway before you fully tighten them. Next step we're going to do right now is the wiring of the subwoofer. Now this subwoofer is going to be wired in a certain way to make it 2 ohms. So you got a negative on one side, positive on the other side, and then the negative and the positive over here are going to be jumped. Push them in to slide it in, and then drop it. Alright, this speaker already has foam on it, so you don't need to add it. Line up the screws. Oh, looks like I'm short too. I only grabbed 6. But there's 8 of them in here. We also have special screws for this. Right, these are just regular screws that came with a different speaker. Customer is in a bit of a hurry, and I do not know where I put the bag of screws for this thing. Alright, I'll get 2 screws. I'll be right back. Got 1. We got 2. Now we tighten them all down. So now we tighten them all down. Be very careful not to over tighten them. I just want snug. Alright. Now we made a custom harness. Plugs into here. Other end of this harness plugs into the input of the kicker amp. All right, now our power wires go to the battery, glasses go in my pocket, and now here this goes to these two terminals. So what I recommend you guys do is listen to it both ways. In these cars especially, some of them are wired backwards. So if you actually reverse the subwoofer, sometimes it sounds better. Alright, so alright, I'll be right back because I need my glasses to do this. As far as amp placement, I always Velcro them down over here. And all you gotta do now is just tighten up these little wires. This is gonna be a little long because it's for different cars. And then you're done. That's it. Check out the website for more details.